Hey guys, what is up? It's Not here today, back with a brand new video. So, as you guys can tell by the title, well, something happened, and I want to let you guys know what happened. So, long story short, I don't know what happened, but, you know what, actually, can you guys give me a quick sec? Ready? Let's get back. I found my camera. Yay, I finally found my camera. Actually, I didn't find it. My dad found it, and I am so happy. I can't thank him enough. He found the camera for me. I don't know where, and it still sounds like crap, so sorry, and excuse me for that. Anyways, he found the camera. I'm so happy. I can't thank him enough. So here's basically what I'm going to be doing. I actually don't know where I put my tripod, so I'm going to be using my camera for most of vlogs now. Well, vlogs, but so the first clip of the next vlog, which is going to be on Friday, you guys will see me on my phone because I'm going to be doing it to school like I usually do. But when I'm at home and I vlog, from now on, I'll be trying to use my camera as much as I can. Once I find my tripod, you'll see more videos with my camera, like Q&As and stuff like that. And you would see that with the camera and the tripod. Now, I think the footage, or like the quality, won't be as good because it's been gone for a long time. It's been gone for a long time. So at the beginning, for sure, it's probably going to be horrible quality. It's going to probably be like this. But I'll fix that and you guys will get better quality. And then, you know what? I'm just happy he found it. So my camera charger is right next to not my computer, but my family's computer. It's the Apple computer, but that's like, nobody else uses that besides me for some reason. So technically it's my computer, but technically it's not. So that's where it's going to be. I'm going to be charging it there every day. Probably. Anyways, that's going to wrap it up for this video. As always, remember, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much, and I'm sorry it was a short video. I just wanted to let you guys know I got it.